Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can two people work in Smartsheet at the same time? The answer is yes. Two people can definitely work in Smartsheet at the same time. In fact, it's actually a really powerful tool for collaboration. Before I get into the specifics of how to collaborate in Smartsheet, I want to take a moment to talk about the benefits of using Smartsheet for collaboration. Benefits of using Smartsheet for collaboration. Smartsheet is a cloud-based application, which means that it can be accessed from anywhere in the world. This makes it easy for people to collaborate on projects, even if they are not in the same location. Smartsheet has a number of features that make it easy to collaborate. For example, you can use Smartsheet to share sheets with other people, comment on sheets, and track changes to sheets. Smartsheet is a very powerful tool, and it can be used to manage a wide variety of projects. This makes it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. Now that I've talked about the benefits of using Smartsheet for collaboration, let's get into the specifics of how to collaborate in Smartsheet. How to collaborate in Smartsheet. Share sheets with other people. The first step to collaborating in Smartsheet is to share sheets with other people. You can do this by clicking on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on the Share button, you will be able to enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the sheet with. Comment on sheets. Once you have shared a sheet with other people, you can use the comment feature to leave comments on the sheet. This is a great way to provide feedback on the sheet or to ask questions about the sheet. Track changes to sheets. Smartsheet keeps track of all the changes that are made to a sheet. This is a great way to see who made a change and when they made it. Use Smartsheet's other collaboration features. Smartsheet has a number of other features that can help you collaborate with other people. For example, you can use Smartsheet to create tasks, assign tasks to other people, and track the progress of tasks. Additional tips for collaborating in Smartsheet. Be clear about your expectations. When you are collaborating with other people on a project, it is important to be clear about your expectations. This will help to avoid misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Use the @mention feature. The @mention feature allows you to tag other people in your comments. This is a great way to get their attention and let them know that you have a question or comment for them. Be patient. It can take some time to get used to collaborating in Smartsheet. Be patient and don't get discouraged if things don't go perfectly the first time. Collaborating in Smartsheet is a great way to get more done. By following the tips in this video, you can make the most of Smartsheet's collaboration features and work together more effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Smartsheeting.